Welcome to another Arnold's 2021 virtual clinic. I'm Bill Buckner, Forage Sales Director for Arnold's, a farm equipment dealership group with 7 locations throughout central and southern Minnesota. We represent Case IH, Kloss, Kubota, and many other quality manufacturers. Typically, each spring we have a forage clinic where our technicians and representative from manufacturers cover maintenance and settings for your forage equipment. Our goal is to minimize downtime and increase efficiencies for you at harvest time. This year, for our customer and employee safety, we've decided to offer this information virtually. Following is a slide presentation from Scherer with pointers and tips for getting your kernel processor ready for the upcoming forage harvesting season. This video will be running through a series of slides without audio. If you'd prefer a PDF version that you can print or view at your leisure, please go to arnoldsinc.com and look for the Forage Clinic resources. When you've completed viewing this presentation or downloading the PDF, be sure to call, email, or text your Arnold's Forage salesperson, Bob or Randy, with the code SHEER21. They'll enter your name into our 2021 virtual clinic prize giveaway being held on May 10th. For each video you watch, you'll get another chance to win. Prizes this year include 10 $100 Scherer part certificates, a big frig cooler, along with a lot of other cool prizes. You can access Bob and Randy's email addresses from the arnoldsinc.com website or from the last page in this presentation. Thanks for watching.